Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's card is, where do I have my example? Where do I have it? Oh, this one. This is the card we will be making today. It features the August 2023 Goodbye Isn't Forever stamp of the month. So the stamp of the month can be purchased in 3 different ways. The first way is for the price of $19.95, full price for this D-sized stamp set. If you have a $50 purchase, the system will offer you this stamp set for the cost of $5. If you are one of Close to My Heart's VIPs, the system will offer this to you for free. So that's a perk of being a VIP. To learn more about VIPs, you just go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and click on the VIP tab to learn more about it. So this card is the card kit that I send to my VIPs every month. And this is their design for the month of August. I like to treat my VIPs extra special. So we're going to use this little tree and this Thinking of You image. I also pulled in Nectarine and Pewter. These two are colors that are retiring. So at the end of August, while supplies last, these colors are going away. They are 2 of 7 colors that are going away. And I will talk more about that in a future video. So I wanted to show you how I got to this point here. So I have the little white piece, and I'm going to use the Nectarine along with that little tree stamp. I have the little foam insert that comes in each of the stamp sets to give me a little cushioning as I stamp. And I'm going to go first generation stamping. So just like that. And I'm going to do 3 trees with first generation stamping. And I'm varying the heights of them. Then I'm going to fill in with some second generation stamping. And I can see I've got some ink going on my corners here. That happens sometimes if I get too crazy rocking with my stamp block. Okay. And I'm stamping off. And then that second generation gives you a lighter version of that ink. And you can do that with any colored ink. Well, at least any Close to My Heart ink. Stamping it off. And then I'm just filling in. I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to take this panel, and yours will be pre-cut, but I'll show you. Oh, jeepers. Boy, clunking around here. So sorry. Yikes. I'm going to cut this. Because it's 4.5 inches long here, I can get 3 equal cuts of 1.5 inches. Let's see if I can not be quite so klutzy. So here are my 3 panels. And I'm going to take the pewter ink and I'm going to stamp the Thinking of You down at the bottom of this panel. And that's what those look like. On my example here that we're going to assemble together, of course you get an envelope and card base. And then there are the three different layers. And these little layers. You can see here I inked around the edges of all of mine using my ink blender tool. I did not ink the kits going out to my VIPs. I am leaving that decision up to the VIPs to decide whether they wish to ink or not to ink. You can use whatever kind of adhesive that floats your boat. I like to start here on the outsides. So I get my 2 outside panels in place. And then I just center this one with an even margin on either side of it. Now I could have probably brought this one over a little more. I'm a little skimpy there with my margin. There we go. And we get a little bit more in there. And that's good enough for now. And then you just layer up. Each of these layers step down 1/4 of an inch. And I find that margin pleasing to the eye. I can show you an example of one where I did a little bit of a different margin, and you can see there's a big difference in what you can see for margins. And I just prefer this a little more. And then you put these layers all on your base. And that's it. That is the August 2023 VIP Club card kit featuring the August 2023 stamp of the month from Close to My Heart. Thank you so much for being my VIPs and for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, I sure would appreciate if you would. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I post. Typically my videos appear on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.